Want to explore Mount Royal Park as well as Montreal's Plateau, Mile End and Mile X neighborhoods? Maybe drop by the Jean-Talon Market? La Bicycletterie JR is tailor-made for your circumstances. Not only is the shop itself located on a direct path leading up to the mountain and its fun, challenging trails, but the shop, which has been around since 1987, has a reputation for repairing what competitors think is irreparable. In turn, bike rental mechanical breakdowns and whatnot are extremely unlikely, given the team's passion and track record for excellence. Mind you, every spring they refresh their rental with a brand new fleet, but you get the point. La Bicycletterie JR is located at 2012 Rachel on the Plateau. Insider tip: when you're done with your bike, walk down to L'Express for one of the best restaurant experiences you could possibly have in the city. It's one of Montreal's flagship dining institutions, at most a 5-minute walk from La Bicycletterie JR.